traders, this is Sol from Price Action Forex Academy. I just passed the FTMO free trial within 2 days. I'm going to show you my strategy and I'll show you the account metrics. So this is a free trial. As you know that FTMO got a free trial for I think $100,000 account for 5% to win this free trial. So I made around $5,800 in 2 trading days, and I'll show you the account metrics in here. It's loading. As you can see, I started at 8 and this end date is 21st of November. Today is the 10th. So I traded only 1 day. The maximum days, 5 days. I got still 3 more days to go, so I have to probably trade some small lots to pass this. And the maximum daily loss I passed. Its drawdown was only 400 something, even though I didn't lose anything. I lost only $175 one trade. And profit target already reached, that passed, as you can see. So the 8th, so I got 1 trade, and the 9th I had 1 trade. I think this is the swap because I put it to the break even, so trade got stopped out. But this is the, I think, the brokerage fees. And today is the 10th. I had 6 trades. I'll show you the trades. The first, there's few scalp. I got stopped out. Euro Swiss franc, and New Zealand dollars, and then German 30 index, which I made almost $2,000. And the biggest trade was this GBP USD. I posted as well. So I'll show you the strategy that I used for this setup. As you can see, this is German 30 cash, and I usually trade, as you know, if you are following me, I trade support resistance with price. This is a long-term support here. If you know about trading, this is our long-term support here. So 1 hour time frame, we'll see this is the support area, right? So I know the price will gonna, because the indices or index, in this case German index, usually bounce back at the support. So I was just looking for 20 pips, 10 pips kind of trade scalp, and within 15 minutes I got this $2,000 from this trade. So it's easy setup. So what setup was done on, I think, 5-minute time frame, and went to 1 minute. So this is the setup. So I went in here, I got out around this area. Yeah, and then USD, as you know that the other day I went long around this area. Same setup kind of thing, support resistance based trading. So this is our long-term support. This is a yellow line, yellow area, and price went up, and this is our small support here. So price I went long around this area and got out this resistance. Very straightforward setup. So let me know what you think, guys. As you can see, that $105,836 I made in 3 trading days. Yesterday I had a trade on, went to sleep, put it on break even and got stopped out. And so actually 3 trading days I made a mistake. So 3 trading days I got around 6% gain. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you think about this, if you're anyone taking this FTMO challenge or not. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.